Hello, in front of me I've got REDTIGER F17 PLUS. In this video I'll show you how to turn it on or off. Usually dashcams turn on in the right moment when they get electricity. In order to do it, make sure that they are connected to power source. Right here on the top of the dashcam we've got this mount where we've got the power cable port connected, and now the dashcam should turn on automatically. To turn it off, press and hold power button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.